Agilien AI-powered Jira Backlog Planner is an AI-powered extension for Atlassian Jira designed to revolutionize how teams plan and manage their product backlogs. Agilien can instantly generate a complete and structured backlog from single goal or concept, which saving hours of manual work. Let's see how it works. Before we start, we first need to create a blank space in Jira. Press the plus button next to spaces. Select Software Development. Then choose Scrum. Press Use Template button. Select either Team Managed Space or Company Managed Space. Specify the name of your space. You can optionally add teammates to this space and connect your works with Confluence. Press Continue to proceed. Now the Jira space is ready. Switch to Visual Paradigm Online. After log into your workspace, select AI Tools. Locate the Agilien AI-powered Jira Backlog Planner and press the Start Now button to proceed. Enter the project domain and then the system context and goals. You can specify the project start date as well as the duration. Once everything is ready, press Generate Project Plan button to start. Now the project plan is being generated in the Epic, User Story, and Subtask structure. We can click on individual item to review its details. For example, on the user story to see its detailed description, acceptance criteria, priority, etc. On the subtask, then you will see different details being generated to it. Press the View Gantt chart button at the top right can open the Gantt chart of the whole project. Besides the project plan, Agilien AI Engine can also generate UNL diagrams correspond to the project plan. Select an item in the project plan, for example, the Design GPS Data Schema subtask. Then choose the diagram type, let's say Class Diagram, and press Generate Diagram button. An UML class diagram related to the subtask being generated. We can then press the Add button to add it to the subtask. Let's try the other one. This time select the Develop Mobile UI for location display. Select Generate. This time select Sequence Diagram and attach it to the subtask. We can generate multiple diagrams if needed. We can press the Sync with Jira button to synchronize them to your Jira space once you've finished the configuration. Press the Authentication with Jira button to perform authentication. You will be prompted to log into Jira in case your browser was not logged in, otherwise the dialog will request you to grant permission to Agilien so that we can send the project plan to Jira. Scroll down the page and press Accept to proceed. Select the target space and press Start Sync button. Now Agilien is synchronizing the project plan to Jira. Close the dialog when finished and switch back to Jira. Reload the page and go to Summary tab. You will see the items are being created. Go to Timeline tab, and you will see all the items are listed. Click on it will show you the AI-generated details of the item. If the item with diagrams attached, then we can click on the thumbnail to see the detailed diagram. You can also open the item in a new page to browser for its details, including the AI-generated diagrams. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.